toward, it represents you a driver library for this I/O port expander here. Is an MCP23017 general purpose I/O port expander driven through an I2C interface. It can expand your micro. Each of this chip can expand your micro to 16 channels, and that can be set independently as input or output. Using this library you can drive up to 8 of these, dependently on the address you set for this chip. You can set the address by pulling down the A0, A1, A2 pin of this chip. It has two main channels, channel A and channel B. Each channel drives 8 port. In this example, I drive the channel A with 8 output port and the channel B with 8 input port, but one can drive independently each part of each channel. And it has on the interrupt, interrupt that can be triggered on the change of any of the port. It is interesting because this way you can trigger a function when an interrupt change. As example, the port 1 of input here triggers an interrupt and the other port doesn't. As example, if I take this pin that is connected to port 4 and I pull it down, you can see it there. Port 4 is then to 0, read to 0. And if I take this other pin that is connected to the port 0, you will see also an interrupt triggered. You see, there is an interrupt line there. That is just a debug line. It is triggered on the interrupt routine of this ATmega, and it's just for sample. And that's almost all for this port expander here. Hope it helps.